In a small dusty village, surrounded by endless fields, lived a poor farmer named Hari. Every day, before sunrise, he walked barefoot to his farm, carrying his old plow and heavy heart. The rains had failed again that year. His crops had dried, his debts had grown, and his hope had almost vanished. At night, he would sit outside his hut, staring at the sky and muttering, "Maybe this is my fate. People like me are born to struggle." One evening, as he sat near the village well, a traveler stopped by. The man looked calm and wise, wearing simple clothes but with eyes full of peace. He asked Hari, "Why do you look so tired, my friend?" Hari sighed, "Sir, I am a poor farmer. No matter how hard I work, nothing grows, nothing changes." The traveler smiled gently and said, "Tell me something, Hari, when you plant bad seeds, do you expect good crops?" Hari looked confused. "Of course not, sir, that's impossible." The traveler nodded. "Then why do you plant negative thoughts every day and still expect a good life to grow?" Hari frowned. "Negative thoughts?" "Yes," the traveler said softly. "Every time you say, 'I can't,' 'I'm unlucky,' or 'I'm poor,' you're planting weeds in the field of your mind. No good harvest can grow there. Change the seeds and you'll change the crop." Those words struck Hari like lightning. Change the seeds and you'll change the crop. That night, he couldn't sleep. He kept hearing those words again and again. He realized that for years he had been working hard in his field, but never on his own, thinking, "This land isn't small. My vision is." He began reading small agricultural booklets he got from the local market. He met progressive farmers in nearby towns, learned about drip irrigation, and started saving every rupee to try new seeds. People laughed. "Hari's gone mad," they said. "He thinks his small field can make him rich." But Hari didn't stop. He sold his old bullock cart to buy high-yield seed. He began growing vegetables instead of grains, and sold them directly to the city market. Months passed. The same people who laughed at him now stood in line to learn from him. Within a few years, Hari expanded his land, bought tractors, and built cold storage for his produce. He became one of the most successful farmers in the district, employing dozens of villagers. One day, a young farmer asked him, "Hari Bhai, what changed your life?" Hari smiled, looking at his green fields swaying in the wind, and said, "One sentence changed everything. Change the seeds and you'll change the crop. I just stopped sowing doubt in my mind and started sowing belief." That day, as the sun set behind his golden fields, Hari looked up and whispered, "Maybe fate never changes, we do." Moral: your mind is the real field, your thoughts are the seeds. If you keep planting doubt, you'll harvest failure. But if you plant belief and effort, even the poorest soil can grow success. Life is waiting, not for a miracle, but for your mindset to change. Type yes if you believe mindset can change destiny.